Hey guys, sorry, this is part 2. My bad, I don't have enough storage on my phone, so I had to delete some stuff and come back. So we were on this question, ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? How many brothers and sisters do you have? You could answer back, tengo a number of siblings and hermanos, or you could get fancy and say for example, I only have a sister. Tengo una hermana, or tengo un hermano, or no tengo hermanos if you don't have any siblings, or tengo una hermana y no tengo hermanos. I have a sister and no brothers. So you can get creative with this. If you remember back to the verbal practice, it'll give you a good idea of how you can answer this question. ¿Cómo son las personas en tu familia? Okay, what are the people like in your family? Ellos son. Remember, ellos means they are. Ellos son locos. Ellos son buenos. Ellos son simpáticos. Ellos son some adjective that describes or summarizes the people in your family. Okay. ¿Qué tiempo hace? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Hace frío. You can answer this any way you please with weather words. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Okay, you can say hace buen tiempo, hace mal tiempo. You can say nieva, snowing, or llueve, it's raining, hace sol, hace frío, hace calor, whatever the weather is like that day. So you're going to have to prepare a few different answers in anticipation of your verbal test as to what the weather could actually be. ¿Qué hora es? This one's probably the most challenging because you can't really predict exactly what it is, but I tried to make it easier for you. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? By promising you I'm only going to give you whole hours, 15 minutes, and half hours. Remember, when we have 45, we kind of have to zoom up an hour. So if it's 1:45, I actually say it's 2 o'clock minus a quarter. You're not going to have to say that for this test. You're just going to have to answer what time it is. So, for example, if it's 2 o'clock through 12 o'clock, son las dos, and then you give me y media. Son las 3:30, or son las 3:15, or son las 5:15. Or sorry, I mean, you can say 15 too. Son las 3:30, it's 3:30, or 3:30. If it's a 1 o'clock time, you have to remember es la una y time. So es la 1:15, es la 1:30, or just es la una if it's just 1 o'clock. Okay? So a little practice there with time and being able to say it off the tippy top of your head. All right, those are your verbal test questions. As to the formatting, here's how it's going to go. We are going to set ourselves in a circle, okay? Everybody gets a random 5 questions at a random time throughout the class. I am going to say the question. So I might say, ¿Qué tiempo hace? I'll say your name. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Maddie. ¿Qué tiempo hace? Maddie. So then Maddie would answer, oh, Señora Smith, hace mal tiempo. Then I go to the next question. Okay. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Thaler. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños, Thaler? And Thaler answers, mi cumpleaños es el 12 de abril, or es el 13 de abril, whatever your birthday is, okay? So you're going to go through and you're going to hear these questions. Here's how you're graded. You're graded on pronunciation. Did you say it correctly? You're graded on fluency. Did you go and stutter the whole time? And delay. Did you wait forever to answer the question because you didn't realize it was you and then you asked to repeat it again? You're graded on grammar. Did you say it with appropriate grammar? Is it masculine, feminine? Do you have the right form of the verb? And then finally, you're graded on, sorry, I lost my train of thought. You're graded on the content. Did you answer the question with the content and the amount of information I needed in order to understand the question? So that's your verbal test. Sorry I'm not there with you. Y'all can email me if you have any questions. Feel free to watch this video and pause it at different points so that you can